Hey guys, hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Tulsi and I share videos related to art creativity on this channel. So if you are interested in it, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, today I'm back with another video on doodling, and this video is quite a fun video and not too much creative. You might find some of the activities quite silly or kiddish, but the whole point of video is to have fun and what all things can you do with doodling. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for the first activity, we are drawing lines and a landscape. So can you imagine, by just drawing few lines, you can create a beautiful landscape? If not, watch this video. You just need to draw an outline of a landscape and create lines in a pattern just as shown in the video, and it just requires a paper and a ballpoint pen, and you create an amazing artwork. I also used a marker later on. Okay, so for the next activity, we are creating a doodle band. Oops, sorry for the lighting. And here I'm drawing an outline of bunny. You can draw any cartoon character or anything you want, and then cutting it with the scissors. Later on, I'm cutting two slits in the center and then adding a band to it. Then the next step is adding expressions. You can add different kind of expressions. Don't know how to make expressions? Click on the I button above and check out the video that I've created. And there we go. Once all the expressions are done, you can cut a slit on both the ends of the band and convert it into a band. I know it is quite kiddish idea, but it is quite fun to see the expressions changing. It also can be helpful for kids, or you can make it for kids. If you want to make a band out of it, make sure you take a proper length according to the hand and see the expressions changing and the fun with it. The next activity is with stick figures. You just need a ballpoint pen, ruler, pencil and a paper to draw on. So this is what we are going to draw. I just outlined it with pencil first and then did the final work with a ballpoint pen. You just have to create expressions and be as creative and funny with the stick figures you create. And as you can see from the drawing, I have created an image where two people or two stick figures are falling and the other two are trying to save them, and one of the stick figure is just watching. In that way, you can doodle your own stories using a stick figure. Okay, the next activity is the floating doodles. So for this, you need a whiteboard marker, and that's it. You draw something with it on a plate and add water to it slowly, and then watch your doodle dancing or floating. I know this is kiddish, but it is oddly satisfying to watch the stick figure dance. And I enjoyed this activity so much that I tried this activity several number of times with different doodles. I know it's kiddish. Yeah, I'm still a kid. Please don't judge me. And by the way, try it out yourself and see how fun this is. Okay, the next activity is making a flipbook. We all have tried making this at some point of time. So you just need a diary or a stack of papers, and I'm making a stick figure with slight changes every time I draw it on the other page, so that once I flip the papers together, it appears to be moving. It is just a handmade animation kind of thing. And see, we are done. If you don't have a flipbook, you can try it on your notebook or any kind of paper like this. Okay, the next activity is kind of cracking your brains. You just need to draw 10 to 12 blank circles on a piece of paper and fill those circles with whatever comes to your mind. This is kind of practicing doodling. You can draw anything which fits in a circle, maybe a watch, a fan, or you can see the rest of the things that I'm drawing. And I had a timer on so that it is more fun doing it. The next activity is I'm just drawing a letter T because it starts with my name, and then drawing lines around it. It is very easy and it turns out to be quite pretty. And the best part is, for all the doodle ideas shared, you just need a black ballpoint pen and a book. These are few doodle activities that you can do while you are sitting home doing nothing, and they are quite easy and fun to try. So do try it out. If you try it out, do share your work with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is given in the description box below. And ta-da, we are done. Okay, if you like the video, hit the like button below, comment your views. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below. To watch more doodling videos, you can go and click over here. To watch other art videos, you can go and click over here. And to subscribe to my channel, go and click over here. So yes, until then, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, take care.